So what we'll do is I'll just show you how full the shop is. Come in and see us, the shop is open, Box Hill's the same, they're stocking up as well, so you'll be able to wander again and just find those little things that you've been sort of fiddling with or thinking, oh, I wouldn't mind having a look at that. So we've had lots of stock come in. This is all the Bandai Gundam, lots of Gundam, so there's been a lot of that. We have had big selling sales on this stuff, so it's been up and down, but we've got lots back in, lots more cars back in, as you can see, all that, lots of trucks again, more Bandai, more cars, some of the bigger cars and trucks and things like that. Very nice BMW in at the moment, so they're all pretty cool. Tamiya, topped up on Tamiya. Tamiya's been struggling a little bit, but I think they've finally got things organised, so we should have lots more kits, lots more paint, things like that in the very near future. But we do have quite a bit at the moment. Lots of bikes. What have we got this side? Lots of ships, lots of ships, a bit of space, a bit of Macross, if you're into that type of thing as well. So lots of that. As I said, lots of ships, Aoshima, Fujimi. These are really, really nice, the Fujimi kits. They do a lot of the Japanese ships, the carriers and things like that. So being Fujimi, pretty obvious. So this is all pretty good. Lots of stock of the Tamiya ships are back in. Trumpeter, IHP. This is all our civilian airliners, things like that, all through there. Hong Kong models. The Lancasters and the B-17 should be here in the next 2 or 3 weeks, I believe. So if you're chasing the Grand Slam or the B-17F, we should have them shortly. And restocks of their 48 scale Lancaster, B-17 and all that sort of stuff as well. CV stuff, this is all 32nd scale, and through here you've got lots of bits and pieces. We do have a lot of stock of ICM, so that's pretty cool. Tamiya, we've had lots of restock of the big aircraft, so you've got all your Mustangs, and there's a 32nd scale Zero if you want to go that way. Special Hobby, we've had restocks. That's the Quadrant G3, which I spoke about last week. This is going very, very well. So as you can see, this is quite full. Rounded to aircraft, this is 72nd scale, this is 48 scale, 1/144th on the end. Lots and lots and lots. We've got heaps in at the moment, so we've got lots of KP, RS models. We've got heaps, got plenty of these at the moment. Really, really popular. Obviously you can do an Aussie one from it as well, so that's lots of stock of that, so that's pretty cool. What else we had? Oh, Sword, H2, AZ, lots of Eduard, as I said. Now down this side, we've got lots and lots and lots. As you can see, we've got good stock of Eduard. We've got lots and lots, and there's lots of, that's the Camel, that's the Biggles Camel, which we've just redone. That's the Weekend D5 Mustang. Lots of Tempests. What else have we had? Oh, we've got that one back in. That one's been very popular, the Eagle's Call. It's pretty cool. Tamiya aircraft back in stock, lots and lots of them. So we'll go back this way, and you can have a look at the armour section, and it's also very, very full. So again, lots of armour, lots of restock. We've had all sorts of bits and pieces. Gecko Models is due in shortly. Lots of restock of Master Box, Miniart, hat figures, all these sort of, all the UMs and the things like that, a bit of Trumpeter. As I said, we've got lots of IBG and all sorts of goodies. Some Rodin just come back in, so that's quite good. Showed you the 35th scale bus recently. Gecko will have some more, including the new Lark, the new Daimler, and the new Katy, K-A-T-Y, what do they call it? So that's come in. On this side, we've had Model Collect, Airfix, Miniart, lots of restocks and new of Miniart, CSM, Italeri, Dragon. There's been a few new Dragon ones come in just recently. So guys, the shop is full, so come and see us. Lots to see and do now. Everywhere in the shop is generally full. As I said to you, Tamiya paints are a little bit low at the moment, but we're working on that. We should be able to solve that in the next week or so. So guys, come and see us. Plenty to see. Take care. Have a great day. See you then.